Welcome! If you're looking to develop a production plan for the upcoming season's collection, or you need help turning your design ideas into reality with ease and efficiency, or if you need to purchase men's, women's, and children's products for your retail store, whether online or offline, we're here to help. At Beautiful Connection Group, we offer several key benefits that set us apart. We make it easy to procure fabrics and accessories, saving you time and effort. Our transparent process ensures simple and effective production monitoring from start to finish. Our experienced quality control teams guarantee top-notch products. We provide on-time delivery, no exceptions. Whether you prefer U.S. or offshore manufacturing, the choice is yours. We can work directly from sketches and samples, no need for a digital package. And our prices are highly competitive, even when compared to offshore companies. We're committed to bringing your vision to life with the quality and efficiency you deserve. With Beautiful Connection Group, you're not just creating products, you're building a future of success. Let's work together to turn your dreams into a reality that will set your brand apart and drive growth. Your success is our success, and we're here every step of the way.